Yeah. 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 Chef. Amazing. Queen God. Hey. Talk too much, they talk too much. Switch up so in baba face off. Life in ngifuna those sweet pumas. Shintshe apparel endlini light iliyona umuntu uphelelwe ihumor. Bloody rumors. God damn this bloody rumors. Sebathi ngithanda ukubukwa cause I do my own. I'm a party pooper when I'm up in my zone. Uvika izinto god damn it. Aniyekeni ukufaka ku-box and just leave me alone. Kwenza umculo kimi small like a job. Ngaba too personal, leave me alone. Ngikhuluma kakhulu when you get a chance. When you gotta back it up, you be backing up. Pheke enough ukunibhoma nonke bhaza automatic ngasuka nonke. Sengikhathele ukulwa manje yami dead. And isikhathi siyahamba, they gotta be fed. Kwamele bakule, they gotta be said. We gotta be dapper, we gotta be fresh. I gotta be lavish, angifune lutho besides ukuya platinum. I gotta be le wolf elihlafuna ma wannabes. Busy up in the studio, we gotta eat. Uvika izinto on a song a hit. Banging it loud if I get go repeat. Struce pop is stuck on my head. Bullseye, now you up in your feelings. Mhlawumbe unocabanga I'm really phony. Mangisivalele endlini, I am never lonely. Lo music umngana sicabana ngibona sizohlukana forever. Khuluma god damn. God damn. Yeah.